green one. So let's open some. I want the blue one, okay? Okay, let's see. Blue. And pink. We got this, guys. We're back, guys. And my slime is like, I just have to mix it more. Let's get all this. Is gooey, guys. This is so gooey. Okay, mine has a mortar here. Comment down below if my sister's is more better. If you're girls, you might like my slime. If you guys are boys, then you might like Yasin's slime. Yeah, and you guys won't like mine. Lady. I wonder whose slime is going to be the best. Ooh. Do you like my slime? Like it? Guys, comment down below. Yeah, comment down below whose is better. And mine is so crunchy. Like, see that noises? Hear it? Oh, look at this. Have you ever, when you guys make slime, have you ever said slime can erase slime? Like take away slime from your hands? Ow, guys. This is so much slime. I just got all this all over me. And why did I do that? This is so cool. This was really hard to make. Yeah. It looks like my slime's done. Yeah, mine too. So let's get everything off the table. Yeah. Like all the slime that we dropped. All to the bowls. Yeah. Because we're gonna get a lot of slime. Yeah. Let's take that. And now let's get everything from. And guys, I love this slime so far. I guess it's done. And guys, my slime is not that on the floor and not that stretchy, but it'll turn out stretchy, I think. We just keep going like this. And it's kind of rubby. Rubby. I'm gonna make a bubble. Let me try making. Yeah, me too. Hi guys. No guys. Why'd you say that? You're funny. Guys, comment down below if my sister's the best. Like, oh my god, we never made slime like this before. Try making a bubble. Nah, failed. This is so good. It's hard. I never made slime before. Like, this is awesome. I made slime before, but that slime didn't like it was bubbles. Yeah, it wasn't that fun. Not really fun. Yeah, this one is so fun. Like it was jiggly slime. Yeah. Like this slime is the funnest. Yeah. Way fun. And comment down below if you ever made slime. Yeah, and guys, comment down below if you know how to make big bubbles. Yeah, big bubbles. Because we want to learn from you guys. Yeah. Okay, so and my sister's is not that a lot, because I have a lot. Ooh. That was a cool bubble. Finally made my own bubble. Now you gotta learn from me. Oh, that's fun though. That's fun. Okay. Oh, my bubble failed. I messed up. Look at this, guys. Mine is pink, his is blue, and it looks like there's confetti in there. Yeah, that's like this confetti. When you make this slime, make sure if you see confetti, yeah, Because
Like,
comment down below if it's confetti.
yeah.
And then try making a bubble.
It's time to end this video, guys.
Yes. Hi, guys.
We had really fun.
Yeah.
Hope you guys know how to make slime.
Yeah, and we made slime on our first time, and I hope you guys like it. Bye.
Bye.